Hey guys, so this is Makeda. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how you can go about creating a transcript of your chat with live support. I figured out how to do so, and I wanted to make this quick video because, you know, I've already expressed that I've had an issue where I specifically told live support that I needed a transcript of the chat because they were showing me how to do something and the person just ignored me and didn't do the live chat. And subsequently, I still have to this day to get that information from tech support. Bottom line is there is a way to transcript your chat when you're talking to them so that you have a copy of it and you can refer back to it if you need to. Just bear with me. It's just taking a little longer than it typically does, but yeah. I'm just getting the actual website that I'm having issues with. Also, just a quick disclaimer, because I learned this the hard way, the live support chat, if you do something else in Builderall, it will close. So always open up a new window if you need to open up a new window if you need to grab a link or do anything in order to help tech support help you out. So this is actually a real issue that I'm having, but as he addresses it, I'm going to just jump to the point. So right here, you have the option to print. I actually think that's going to open up in a new window. So just give me a second. I'm going to invade my privacy a bit, which I don't typically do, and just share my desktop. So that you'll be able to see everything. Okay, so if you saw, I just went to the little three dots. I clicked the print option, and now this might look different for you depending on what computer that you're using. But the bottom line is that you have the option somewhere on your print window to convert whatever it is that you're trying to print to a PDF, okay? So if you're looking at my computer, I'm running a MacBook Pro, and here you see there are several options for what you can do with the PDF version of the chat. So while I'm doing this now, because you know, obviously I'm just trying to show you guys how to do it. You would wait until you have identified the problem and fixed it with tech support, and you can come back, you can go to the option. I'm going to show it to you one more time, but you should have these options when you open up a print window. This is for the MacBook Pro, but or you know, an Apple device, where you can now create a PDF out of the transcript that you have so far. So from whatever point it is, you'll see that you have a transcript of it. So I definitely suggest that you utilize this. Even if you do ask tech support to submit a support ticket, of course, I think that it's best that you also have a copy in the event that that is not done, because that has been my experience, okay? I hope this helped. I'm definitely going to be making some more tutorials for Builderall, so definitely subscribe. I'd appreciate the support. Any questions or comments? Yeah, and probably, I don't know if I should even list this video, but I'm going to drop the link in the tech support chat. That's probably where most of you guys are seeing this from. Yeah. Any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'm definitely going to put my information down there. And I hope you guys enjoy using Builderall. Okay? Thanks. Yeah, so one more time, I'm actually just going to show you. I realized I didn't finish the steps. The chat is now over. I'm going here to print. Over here, I'm using an Apple device, so I'm not too sure if it looks different for PC, but you should have the option somewhere. I'm going to identify the PDF, and then I'm going to save it as a PDF. It's going to pop up, ticket. I'm just going to put the date. And now I have a copy of it. I'm going to just go and find it real quick so you guys can see it. I have a couple of them that I saved, but if I open it up, here is the transcript, and I'm able to refer back to that at any time because it's now saved onto my computer, okay? I hope this helps. Remember, show me some support. I'd appreciate a like or subscribe, okay? And enjoy using Builderall. I realized in the other video I didn't break it out to the final step, so I just wanted to show you guys that it actually worked, okay?